This review is on the Anger Stone, which is kind of a weird brand name, which seems to happen with a lot of imported goods these days. But the Anger Stone axe sharpening puck comes to us from China. It has a 320 grit side and a 180 grit side. Since the axe that I have right here that I'm going to demonstrate this on is actually already pretty close to being where I'd like the edge, I'm actually going to start with the 320 edge. So we're going to get some water on it. And we're going to go in a circular motion, matching the angle that's already on that edge.
Thanks for watching. I really believe that this product at its price point represents a pretty good value for something you can chuck in your pack and keep with you, or just keep in your shop and have it part of your kit there.